Action for Community Development batebekanise mshomo muri cy'abacara Rubirizi Town Council rutoto hamwe na Ntunga B yone ryo mugombora ya Katera okushomesa abashweri no mwuga gwabo mu kubarira Ruzaro entebekanise jigenderire kureba ngo abashweri ne bazara abana abar kubasa kurebera.
Most people think that family planning is about stopping people from producing, but that is not the case. Family planning is about helping couple or helping individuals to plan for the number of children that they can manage very well. So we have understood that different reasons have come up, especially religious reasons is a big hindrance or a bottleneck for consuming family planning services.
Ekigendererwa chebi no kurebeka ngo amakagitu ninga shebyaro byitu abantu bazara abana aba kubasa kureberera bakatwara umushomero bakaraguriza kandi bakabaho mibereho mirungi mbe nitwentwenda ngo abataka bitu barebeke ngo abashija bikirazana n'abakazi babo bakurebeka ngo bazara abana abo bakubasa kurebera.
Emishomeji ne abashweri ne kandi ne manyanka couple dialogue aho bari kushomesa ubwo kubine kwatansa okurwana semchenja no mbushweri bwabo.
Twayiga muna munonga zongaze kitanda abakazi babebine umuzego kuteganisa abashobo no mukubabunga bari mu mibi kiretera abashijo bundi basohora kugenda kurunda abakazi aheru ninga siku zo bamara ya aheru konka erizo batwashoma ngo twakugira rukundo no kwatanisa amagifu ngabasa kuba abo busingi
nayegamu okwatanisa nako mu family ngo mushija yaba nakora mu rutoke ayibura naniwe mukazi we obe nokora hansi uyombero mwata mukwatanisane
twena tulino kushanganda ate twendo kurugo muboro twendo kurugamu wenka twena tunokora ki nokureba abantu twakwata hamwe omushija omukazi turugengahi andi twena tukore bikozere bita ebiyikire
amakoraga gashakwa Nesmas ndiya nabo